C for cuttlefish, coral coelegant. D for dogfish, dugong dolphin chant. Dive into the deep end alphabet, right? Ocean creatures on every side. E for eel pout, electric eel, emperor shrimp. F for flatfish, fang-tooth gazelle, and G for grouper, goblin shark, ghost crab. H for hammerhead, hey K hermit dab. I for isopod, icefish, ivory shell. J for jellyfish, jackfish, javelin whale. K for kraken, myth, kelpfish, Kemp's ridley. L for lobster, leafy sea dragon, limpet chili. On every side. M for manatee, moray, manta ray. N for nautilus, nudibranch, moray, palplay. O for octopus, oyster, orca mite. P for prawn, porpoise, puffin flight. Q for queen conch, quahaw, queen triggerfish. R for ray, razor shell, rockfish dish. S for seahorse, sea urchin, starfish. T for turtle, tuskfish, tangfish, swish. U for urchin, yunkery,
freshwater friend.
V for viperfish, velvet belly, then crabland. W for werewolffish, walrus. X for sea for zora, extra marvelous. Y for yellowfin, tuna.